How often do you sit down to a delicious, hearty meal, only to have a little voice in the back of your mind whisper, "Is this good for my heart?" For millions of us, that worry often comes down to one word: cholesterol. Seeing a high number on a lab report can be genuinely frightening. It feels like a warning sign, and the usual solutions can feel daunting or come with side effects. But what if the answer wasn't only found in a prescription bottle? What if a powerful helper was already hiding in your kitchen, sitting quietly in your spice rack? This isn't a fancy, expensive superfood from a remote jungle. We're talking about the humble bay leaf. Yes, that simple, aromatic leaf you probably only use for making soup or stew. Today, we are exploring the surprising and science-backed truth of how these common leaves can be a natural ally in your journey to lower cholesterol and improve your health. So, let's get to know our star ingredient. A bay leaf isn't just a random leaf, it has a royal history. For thousands of years, long before it ever touched a kitchen, the bay leaf was a symbol of victory, wisdom, and protection in ancient cultures like Greece and Rome. More importantly, it was a cornerstone of traditional healing medicine, used to treat everything from aches and pains to digestive issues. This tells us one thing clearly: our ancestors knew this leaf was special. They recognized its power went far beyond just adding flavor. They used it as medicine. And now, modern science is starting to catch up, confirming what ancient healers knew all along, that the bay leaf is a tiny treasure trove of health-boosting compounds. It's time we stopped overlooking it and started understanding its true potential. To understand how bay leaves can help, we first need a simple picture of what's happening inside our bodies. Think of your blood vessels as smooth, flexible pipes. Now, imagine there are two types of workers in your bloodstream. The first type is the bad crew. Their job is to drop off a sticky, waxy substance called cholesterol at different parts of your body. When there's too much of this crew, they start leaving messy piles everywhere, clogging up the pipes and making it hard for blood to flow freely. This is what we often call bad cholesterol. Luckily, we have a second team, the cleanup crew. Their job is to patrol the bloodstream, find the leftover mess, and take it away to be removed. This is your good cholesterol. So, the goal for a healthy heart is simple: we want to slow down the bad crew and support our hard-working cleanup crew. This is where our kitchen hero, the bay leaf, steps in. It doesn't just do one magic trick, it helps in a few clever ways. First, bay leaves are packed with natural compounds that are powerful antioxidants. You can think of these antioxidants as little bodyguards. Inside your body, a process called oxidation can make the bad cholesterol even stickier and more dangerous, causing it to clog your pipes much faster. These antioxidants from the bay leaf neutralize the threat, protecting the cholesterol from becoming harmful. But that's not all. Bay leaves also contain special plant compounds that can gently slow down your body's own production of cholesterol, especially in the liver. It's like gently turning down the faucet that's supplying the bad crew with more material. So, by enjoying bay leaf tea or cooking with them, you're essentially doing two things at once: you're sending in bodyguards to protect your pipes, and you're reducing the supply of the sticky material that causes the problem in the first place. It's a natural, multi-layered approach to supporting your heart health from within. Now, while we're focusing on cholesterol, it's amazing to see that the benefits of bay leaves don't stop there. Think of it as getting a wonderful bonus package when you sign up for the main deal. One of the most immediate benefits people notice is better digestion. Bay leaves have been used for centuries to soothe an upset stomach, reduce that uncomfortable bloated feeling, and even help relieve gas. They encourage the production of digestive juices, helping your body break down food more efficiently. But there's more. If you've ever felt general body aches or stiffness, bay leaves can help here too. They contain natural compounds that help fight inflammation. Inflammation is like a small, smoldering fire inside the body that can contribute to pain in many chronic diseases. By adding bay leaves to your diet, you're helping to cool down those internal fires. Furthermore, early research suggests that bay leaves can help your body manage blood sugar levels more effectively by improving how your cells respond to insulin. This makes them a valuable friend for anyone looking to support their metabolic health alongside their heart health. All of this sounds wonderful, and it is. But this is the most critical moment in our discussion. It is absolutely essential that we pause and talk about safety. I am a health enthusiast sharing information, but I am not a medical doctor. Bay leaves are a fantastic complementary support, something you add to a healthy lifestyle. They are not a miracle cure or a replacement for any medication your doctor has prescribed you. Your doctor understands your unique health history, your current medications, and your specific needs. So, before you start drinking bay leaf tea every day or making any big changes, you must have a conversation with your healthcare provider. Tell them what you're planning. This ensures that this natural remedy works for you safely and doesn't interfere with anything else. This simple step is non-negotiable for your well-being. Natural is powerful, and using it wisely under professional guidance is the key to true health. Now that we know how powerful bay leaves can be, you're probably wondering, how do I actually use them? The good news is that it's incredibly simple and can fit right into your daily routine. Let's start with the most direct method, making a soothing cup of bay leaf tea. This is a gentle and effective way to get all the benefits. Here's how you do it. Take 2 or 3 dried bay leaves. It's a good idea to gently crush or break them in your hand first. This little step helps to release all those wonderful oils and compounds locked inside the leaf. Then, just place them in a cup and pour boiling water over them, just like you're making any other herbal tea. Let the leaves steep for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the water turning a beautiful light golden or greenish color and releasing that distinctive, earthy aroma. Once it's steeped, simply strain the leaves out, and your tea is ready. You can enjoy it as is, or add a tiny bit of raw honey or a slice of lemon to suit your taste. Having a cup of this once or twice a day can be a wonderful ritual for your health. If making tea isn't for you, don't worry at all. The other method is even easier because it simply involves cooking the way you normally do. This is how most people have already used bay leaves without even knowing the health benefits. The next time you're making a pot of soup, a hearty stew, a batch of beans, or even just cooking rice, toss in 1 or 2 whole bay leaves. As the dish simmers and bubbles, the leaf will slowly release its beneficial properties and its deep, savory flavor directly into your food. It's a seamless way to support your health while you're preparing a delicious meal for yourself or your family. Just remember one crucial safety tip, because the leaf itself stays tough and can be a choking hazard. Always remember to fish it out and remove it from the dish before you serve and eat. It's done its job by then, infusing your meal with both flavor and wellness. Before you rush to your kitchen, let's go over a few simple tips to make sure you get the best results. First, try to find good quality, organic bay leaves if you can. Freshness matters, as older leaves lose their potency and flavor over time. Next, and this is very important, make sure you are using the correct plant. The safe and effective one is called bay laurel. Always buy from a reputable spice brand or grocery store. Some ornamental plants, also called laurel, can be toxic, so it's best to avoid foraging unless you are absolutely certain. Also, remember that natural remedies are not like chemical medicines that work overnight. Think of bay leaves as a long-term partner in your health journey, not a quick fix. The key is consistency. Making bay leaf tea or cooking with them regularly, combined with a balanced diet and other healthy habits, is what will yield the best and most lasting results for your cholesterol and overall wellness. So, let's do a quick recap of everything we've learned. We discovered that the humble bay leaf is a hidden gem in our spice rack, backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. It helps manage cholesterol by acting as an internal protector and by helping to reduce the production of sticky bad cholesterol. On top of that, it offers fantastic bonus benefits for your digestion, inflammation, and blood sugar. The two easiest ways to use it are by enjoying a warm cup of bay leaf tea or by adding it to your everyday cooking, like soups and stews. Most importantly, we emphasize that your health is your greatest wealth, so always partner with your doctor before making any changes. If you found this information helpful and would like to learn more about simple, natural ways to support your well-being, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. And we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried bay leaves for health? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and take care of yourself.